You met CM today.
You met, first of all, welcome to Goa. You met CM today. So, just tell us about being in Goa.
We came to brief him about the question related to police department, that's all.
Okay.
सर बाहर के राज्यों में कुछ नए नियम है वो गोवा में लागू करने वाले पर आप
Ruling dispensation was disrupting the proceedings of the House. Normally, opposition disrupt Kuttar, but they doing it. We have expressed our serious concerns about this, and it is nothing but a motive to have made sure that we were not going to take up certain issues of power tariff hike and especially NEP. And NEP is a very major issue where the government is completely unprepared. The education department is totally in doldrums, and they're trying to show that it's a very nice picture. But when you go into the places, into the schools, whether in the village or the cities, you come to know, your feedback is that they are totally clueless. They are without, even now, Maka message dili, that in Saraswat College, they have got some subject called banking, and they don't even have the books. So the first class, they were only told, State Bank asa, HDFC Bank etle sangale. Now they don't know what to teach them next because the syllabus has not come. So this kind of things should not be made a mockery and the children left just drooling their fingers over there in the class. That's why it's a very important subject. And as I repeat, we are not against the government, we are not against its implementation, but we only don't want a hurried implementation. We don't want a erratic manner of implementing it. So that was the first part of it. Then now it was general discussion on budget. So I have spoken, I've also said, and to my good luck, because I was the last one, I managed to even get Chief Minister to give me certain assurances on certain things like repairs of the bunds and repairs of the primary schools, normally which happens in calling attention matters. But he has assured that he will look into it. I also spoke about the educational hub and the need of it, because otherwise you're promising an educational hub but not giving it. Because what is the future of our children if we don't have these facilities? And they have to go for studies abroad. Parents are worried what is happening to the children when they are there. We don't know what kind of company they get into, what they may indulge in, and whether they will complete their studies on time or not, or whether they'll be in good company or bad company. And if we have these facilities here, I think it will be safer for our children. It will be more convenient. Even if we have to stay in a hostel in the places over there, I don't have to say travel every day. And our standard can always be increased and our standard can go up. People like Microsoft and all can come here if you have this kind of a thing. So I think on an overall, at least for the demands on the, not demands on this budget speech, I think I could cover a lot of ground only on the major topics. As the demands days come, now from 18th we start the demands. So we will have our part motions and we will also make presentation detailed wise on each topic.
So you also spoke about some book spelling mistake. What else?
What book? Kill Bill Mulla CMN book काढला. तुम मराठी उतर कितको शब्द कितको मराठी बरोल त्यांचा स्पेलिंग चेक. दुसरा
ऐसा नहीं.
आणि CMN मागीन चालला तो मराठी वाचता म्हणल्यार वा मराठी शिकला पासून.
Which book is this skill book?
He told that it was released by an NGO which is supported by the government. So CMA just released this book. In the middle of the session, he went and released the book and came back. Oh, Martahi. Marathi is actually.
Okay.
Huh?
Thank you. Yeah.
क्लायमेट थंडावलो सेशनाक ते भशेन सकाळीं जावंक जाय. हे भशेन अक्रॉस द येईल म्हळ्यार ओपोजिशनान एक कन्सेन्सस आनी एक इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू विथ पर्सन्स विथ डिसेबिलिटी हें आमचें म्हणजे हांवें कॉलिंग एटेन्शन दिल्लें हांवें कालुसा ताजेर डिस्कशन बरे भशेन थंडपणान दिलें सजेशन आहे ताजे खातीर एक आमची एक प्रोग्रेसीव डेमोक्रेसी आनी प्रोग्रेसीव स्टेट गोंय म्हणून दाखयता ही जी मॅसेज आमी लोकांक धाडली ती सकाळीं नॅशनल न्यू एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी कित्याक जावना वाय इज NEP नॉट शॉट टू बी डिस्कस्ड I don't understand this. NEP concerns the future of our next generation. They are trying to make from, let's say, go from up to down. कॉलेजीन ते युनिफॉर्म घालूंक सोदता तूं म्हाका सांग आमी आतां राजकारणान आयल्या निवडून आयल्या आमी कॉलेजीन युनिफॉर्म घालपाचें सांग म्हाका ते लोक निवडून दितले मरे आमकां दे आर क्रॉस द एज ऑफ 18 कॉलेज सेक्शन ने आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट हायर सेकंडरी कॉलेजीन जेन्ना पावता तेन्ना तुका युनिफॉर्म घालपाचें न्हू प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन अनावन्स करता कितें चल्लां सो येदे व्हडले इश्यूज तूं मायनर आनी मेजर टॉपिक्स इन अंडर ग्रॅज्युएट लेवल higher education directorate is deciding the courses. So people will leave educating in Goa. See, we have to develop Goa as a knowledge hub, knowledge economy. हे आमचे प्लॅनिंग आशेलकाराचो रिपोर्ट कितें सांगता इट इज अबाउट क्रिएटिंग गोवा एज अ विजडम कॅपिटल तुमी यू आर ट्रायंग टू मेक देम इनटू चिल्ड्रन कॉलेज लेवल ताका युनिफॉर्म घालून बस म्हळ्यार बस आयक म्हळ्यार आयक ही हिस्ट्री तुमकां शिकयली तें आयकून घ्या दिस इज नॉट द वे ऑफ प्रोग्रेसिव सोसायटी बिहेव्स एंड वर्स दॅट दीस हाऊस डज नॉट बिहेव लायक दॅट फर्स्ट टायम यू हॅव अनप्रेसिडेंटेड दॅट यू हॅव द रुलिंग पार्टी डिसरप्टिंग द हाऊस in the morning the ruling party disrupted the house and before that there was so much of pressure for that NEP not to be taken and advocate Kalus Pereira said this on record so Ajir Kaita Sarkar has something to hide which is why myself advocate Kalus and Dinesh Purkar have asked for a half an hour discussion on this subject but it concerns the future of the children of Goa and if the government is not giving half an hour discussion, it proves our allegation or the accusation that they have disrupted the house only to see that this contentious issue was not discussed.
अनेक विषय म्हणटा पळय आता असेंब्ली आसा आनी तुमी मारगांव सावन पणजे येता रस्ते आसा
रस्त्यान इट्स लायक कमिंग ऑन द मून हांव आज भायर सरिल्लो 9 वरांचेर म्हळ्यार अदरवायज 1 वरान पावता हांव 2 वरां पयलीं भायर सरलो
2 वरां पयलीं
2 वरां पयलीं 9 वरांचेर भायर सरलो आनी 10:30 पावलो 1.5 वर लागलें म्हाका ट्रॅफीक जॅम तर तो कसोच पावना कितें करतलो यू हॅव टू बी यू हॅव टू जस्ट सी दॅट गोवा इज गॉन ऑल द PWD वर्क्स आर बिलो स्टँडर्ड बिकॉज सारकें कमिशनच फोकस आहा कमिशनाचेर आतां तूं म्हाका सांग पावस चड पडलो गोंयांत पावस पडना हाजे पयलीं पडनाशिल्लो रस्ते वता अशें म्हज्या मतदारसंघांत यो हांव तुका एक रस्तो दाखयता 2014 गेल्लो 24 जालो तस्सो आहा रस्तो अजून अजून आहा तस्सो देर इज अ वील देर इज अ वे PWD डिमांडाक काडटले
NEPचे पळय तुमी उलयला ते ससन तुमकां दिसता की सर्टन सेक्शन ऑफ एड्युकेशनाक ते फेवरींग चलता
पळय NEPचेर 2-3 इश्यूज आहा एक इज ऑन द वे इट इज बीइंग इम्प्लिमेंटेड हांवें आज एक कॉमेंट केला की चीफ मिनिस्टर appears to be in a haste to get the label that he is the first person to have implemented the NEP. Whereas other more literate states, like 100% literate state like Kerala, is implementing it in phases. Karnataka is refusing to implement it. They are saying we will have our own education policy. So there is a need to take everybody into confidence before doing something, which is not happening. So faulty implementation. और एक ज़रा दूसरे तातूंत certain subjects like French, German, Arabic, Portuguese हे जे subjects शिकयताले ते NEP रोल आउट जाय म्हणसर चलतले म्हणटा ते ह्या दिसा रोल आउट जाले ते दिसा हे सब्जेक्ट पण टीचर गेले घरा अरे इतले वर्सां हे सब्जेक्ट कित्याक शिकताले आमी why do you study languages because when you go abroad those are the languages that can empower you आज आमचो गोंय डायस्पोरा पॅरिसाक आहा लंडनाक आहा पुर्तुगालाक आहा why do you study why do you learn all these languages because those are the powerful and developed nations of the world where we need those languages so हे हांचे कितें तरी दुसरोच एजेंडा आनी असले प्रोग्रेसीव स्टेटीक गोंया असल्या सारख्या तूं जर अंडर ग्रॅज्युएट कोर्सीसान तूं डिसायड करपाक लागलो की भुरग्यांनी खंयचो कोर्स घेवप तो इट मिन्स दॅट तुमी कोण तरी अनक्वॉलिफायड टिचरांचे जॉब राखूंक सोदतात भुरग्यांनी तुमकां पडोवंकूच ना म्हजी भयण प्रोफेसर आहा बायोटेक्नॉलॉजी गोवा युनिवर्सिटी शी हॅज टोल्ड मी पीपल हॅव स्टार्टेड लिव्हिंग undergraduate level students are leaving Goa and going to the other state, saying those states are offering better courses. You're kidding. This is the debacle of our education system.
But
He doesn't want discussion.
8th standard सांगला फुडले एका आसचे ना
अशें ना मग.
फुडले
So there is an uncertainty. कितल्यो टीचर आहात ज्यो टीचर PhD जाल्ल्यो प्रोफेसर आहात they are willing to take any job. So हें जाला कितें ओवर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. No guarantee for employment. This is the position. It's a very bleak situation and there has to be discussion on it.